Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we are going to make a very healthy and nutritious dry fruits, nuts and Gond or edible gum laddu. Gond laddu is something which is one of my favorite sweets. But yes, when we buy it from outside from the market, the sweetness may be too much or it might not be as per how you like it. But when you prepare it at home, you can increase or decrease the sweetness or any other preferences that you might be having. So it's always a good idea if you know how to make it and you make it at home. This was in fact the very first time that I made Gond laddu. Previously, once I bought it and I used it for making other different things, but laddu is for the first time that I'm making. So without any more delays, let's begin with the video and see the process how I made them. Here I'm heating up a frying pan and over here I have gone or edible gum that I ordered from Amazon, but you also get them in the local stores. I will add a spoon of ghee and will start frying the gond in low flame. Once they are fried, you will see that they have become crispy and also they will change its color. So I'll transfer it in my mixer grinder because we need to grind it. So I'm transferring the edible gum in my grinder and will allow it to cool down. Previously, I had also dry roasted some nuts and seeds that I had. You can use any nuts or seeds that you like. I'm using almonds, watermelon seeds, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, peanuts, and whatever other nuts and seeds you like, you can use that. Here I'm heating up the frying pan again and will dry roast some dried coconut which I had at home. We'll also add pinch of elaichi powder in it. We'll roast it for 2 minutes and then turn off the flame. Here I have some 20 to 30 dates and we need to remove the seeds from the dates. If the dates that you are using are very hard, you can even soak it for 10-15 minutes before use. The ones that I'm using were quite soft, so I just directly used them. Here I have made a powder with the edible gum and will add it along with the dried coconut. And now we need to grind the nuts as well as dates. Because I had it in a larger quantity, I'm going to grind it in two batches. Here the first batch is ready. You can see that the color is a bit like dark brown because we used a lot of dates in this batch. And I have just coarsely ground it, not like fine powder. Now I will transfer the remaining nuts and seeds and will make a powder of it as well. And now we'll transfer everything in the frying pan and give this a good mix. Now, if you notice the nuts and seeds that we have used, they do not have that much of a binding agent within them. It's only the dates as well as the edible gums that is going to bind everything together. So I'm just mixing everything really well and the powder that we have prepared is like coarsely ground. So we need to grind it one more time because if you see, right, it's not binding properly. So what I'm going to do is after mixing all the ingredients, I'm going to grind it one more time so that it becomes like a proper soft powder and it's easier to bind it and make the laddus. Here I'm transferring the powder in my mixer grinder and will properly grind this and this is what it looks like. Now it will be much easier to make the laddu. I will take the required portion of the mixture and will start giving it shape of a laddu. When you are roasting the nuts and seeds, do remember one thing that different nuts and different seeds might take different time to get it roasted. So you can do it at once. Like if you are roasting almonds along with sunflower seeds require much lesser time to get roasted as compared to almonds. So you need to roast it separately or you need to add the sunflower seeds later. Like that, you can roast all the nuts and seeds so that everything is roasted properly. One thing that I like about these laddus is that it's not absolutely required that the powder has to be very hot for you to be able to make the laddus. Unlike for sesame seeds laddus or even for coconut, you need to do it instantly. But this one, you can do it aram se. There is no hurry burry as such. So that's a really good thing about it. So here I'm making the laddus. Gond laddus are usually of a larger size as compared to coconut laddus or sesame seeds laddus. So I'm just trying to make bigger laddus with this mixture. And here I'm done making all the laddus. And this is what the laddus look like. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you did, do make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet next time, stay healthy and happy. Bye bye.